Would you press the button?
A personal cinema with every movie ever made, that the warnings manifest as vivid and unsettling visions that linger in your mind. Be a renowned explorer, discovering new realms and dimensions, but each exploration leaves a permanent mark on your physical appearance. Be a time traveler, able to visit any historical event, but you are unable to interact with the people or events you observe. Possess the ability to perceive and interact with parallel universes, but each interaction results in a fragment of your consciousness being left in that universe.